The battle space has evolved. Today's threats are relentless and no longer single tracks. They overwhelm legacy systems at speed and scale. Halo Shield redefines protection by autonomously distributing sensing, processing, and engagement. Mission planning starts before contact to ensure optimized coverage, seamless handoff, and fewer blind spots across critical infrastructure. AV Halo Command turns tracking data into recommended actions at the speed of the mission. Each self-contained tile integrates advanced sensors and effectors with AV Halo AI-driven software, automating detection, classification, and responses for area defense. Halo Shield automates mission planning and weapon recommendations for cross-domain kill chain effectiveness. Secure every vector, dominate every threat. Halo Shield.